All right, welcome to today's lesson. We'll be continuing with connection with the core. So as I mentioned in last class, it's really difficult to feel our core, and the bones are covered with muscles. And so this soft blanket roll is one of the nicest ways for your musculature to relax and for you to find that skeletal support. And then we'll be doing movements today for resiliency and balance. Okay? And I've been talking about trees and how trees inform me of how to be upright in my spine. Okay. Now, grab your small but thick roller, your short roller, and we're going to sit on the roll. Okay? And this prepares the trunk, the base of the trunk, to be balanced. Okay? So let's work with the arms. I'm going to have you inhale and reach out with your arms and reach up, and let's dangle your hands a little bit in the wind. And then bring them over your head and just let them come down to the center. Okay? Now, I'm going to have you put one hand in the front and the other hand behind you and kind of grab a hold of your blanket roll, and then very slowly roll backward and forward on the blanket. All right, so you're kind of moving your pelvis with your hands in this position, backward and forward slowly, and then go side to side slowly. And you want to move in such a way that it's easy, kind of like pouring water or something, going from one side to the other. All right. And then let's take away your roll and just see how that feels now. And just play with turning one way and turning the other way. And does it feel different? Can you tell the direction I was just having my arms? It's so much easier for me, but can you feel how it is to turn from one side to the other now, all the way through your trunk? Now let's keep going a little bit more with the roll. Put it underneath. All right, and now take a hold with one hand in the front, one hand behind you, and let's roll slowly backward and forward. And we're not trying to do this as a race. This is actually just for the pleasure of moving slowly forward and back and seeing if you can really sense the bones of the pelvis as you do it. Then come to a neutral place, and then let's slowly go side to side. And the pelvis drops in these hip joints that are right in the crease here. Feel if you can feel this dropping as you go from side to side. All right, and of course, if you're a horseback rider, this is a fabulous lesson to do before getting on that horse. Okay, now just try turning and feel how easy or easier it is to move now, and how that would relate to whether you're driving or you're at your desk or you're in the kitchen, right? Can you feel the ease in your trunk to turn at the bottom? So that's a good warm up for starting to get the base of us really rooted and solid. But just to finish, I want you to think for a moment about the tree. And the tree is in all directions. And as human beings, we tend to be mostly forward with our awareness. But I want you to play a little bit this week as an assignment with the 6 directions. So there's up and down. So the tree has as much canopy as it does root system. Okay? And as human beings, can we connect to this, around us as much as we can connect to the ground? So when you're walking, I want you to feel that up-down quality. Feel the side to side. and forward and back. So those are the 6 directions. And today we played a little bit with this tree-like feeling, okay, of our core, of our trunk. All right, so boy, there's so much more to say here, but I'm gonna stop that for now. We'll have more next week.